Innovation promotes inclusion, inspires participation, fuels progress. It feeds into and benefits the common good, just like outstanding programs in communities across the nation whose work against extreme climate, the ravages of malnutrition, in tapping clean and renewable energy and lifting people from poverty was recognized by the President in this year's Galing Pook Awards. I have this report gathered by Clazel Pardilla. Bread in exchange for plastic bottles, street camps in barangay corners that can be used during emergencies, free bus rides for school children. Just some of the outstanding programs of the 10 barangays honored by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at the Galing Pook Awards 2025.
Napakabago, nakakapag-isip kayo talaga ng mga panibagong paraan kung paano na makilahok ang ating mga kababayan, ang taong bayan. Hindi lamang sa pamalahan, ngunit kundi pati na sa ating mga pagtulong sa ating mga kababayan.
This year's Galing Pook Awards recognize barangays with programs focused on disaster response, environmental care, fighting malnutrition, clean energy, and community upliftment.
Iba-iba man ang programa, is iisa ang hatid na mensahe. Kapag tinutugunan natin ang pangangailangan ng tao, nagdudulot ito ng magandang pagbabago.
President Marcos Jr. said the barangay success proves good governance is not only in the hands of the national government. He urged local leaders to create programs that address urgent needs and drive community progress.
Tuwing inuuna natin ang kapakanan ng taong bayan, sumusunod ang pag-unlad ng ating inang bayan. Ito ang kulturang nais nating ipalaganap sa pamahalaan. Ganito ang serbisyo publika na dapat ramdam ng pamayanan, tapat, bukas at may direksyon.
Jay Esteban from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.